ketogenic diet gained popularity recently? I've been studying ketogenic diet in the lab for about 12 years now, and it's been a very fascinating journey to see it come from something that was extremely fringe and definitely not part of the public conversation to something that everyone's heard of. Your grandma might be going keto, right? So this has been really fascinating from my perspective, but as a scientist, I'm very excited about it because the science behind ketogenic diet and ketogenic therapies is exploding. I mean, if you look at the publication rate, research articles that use ketogenic diet in them, over the past decade, it has just blown up, which is really, really incredible. It's showing me as a scientist that, wow, there's a lot of really, really smart people interested in this field because the data is so encouraging. And there's more and more and more research being done out there in preclinical studies and basic science research labs like what I work in. I work with cells and petri dishes and animal models. I was actually just perusing clinicaltrials.gov recently and saw hundreds of trials where ketogenic diet or ketone supplements or exogenous ketones are being used. That is why the ketogenic diet has grown in popularity, because people are starting to find out, hey, there's a lot of information out here, really encouraging information about what having metabolic flexibility can do. And by that I mean consuming a diet where you're not always in this state where you're never in ketosis and you're constantly consuming high carbohydrates, 3 meals a day, plus snacks. That is something that's kind of been recommended for a long time, and there's a lot of research now starting to challenge that notion that that's actually what's healthiest for our species. So that's why ketogenic diets have grown in popularity. It's been pretty cool from my perspective to be able to watch it.